Welcome to this EKE 100 configuration video 5 about how to use the display interface to configure the EKE 100 for manual valve operation. The EKE 100 1V and 2V versions with built-in display can be configured by using the display interface. The display interface configuration is split into 5 small videos, which includes Video 1, showing basic navigation between the different setting modes, including using the keypads and understanding the display readings. Video 2, showing how to do basic settings, including configuring the EKE 100 as a superheat controller or a valve driver. Video 3, showing how to configure the EKE 100 as a valve driver for one stepper motor valve. Video 4, showing how to configure the EKE 100 as a superheat controller for one stepper motor valve, including configuration of one pressure transmitter and one temperature sensor. And video 5, showing how to configure the EKE 100, allowing you to manually operate a valve. In these videos, we'll give you important configuration tips, ensuring your safe and reliable system operation. So go ahead and check out the EKE 100 display interface configuration video, which will meet your needs. In this EKE 100 display interface configuration video 5, we'll show you how to set the EKE 100 to manual mode, how to set the EKE 100 manual mode timeout, and how to manually set the valve opening degree in EKE 100. We will also show you how to reset the EKE 100 to automatic mode, and finally how to return the EKE 100 to the home mode. It is very important to ensure that the EKE 100 is correctly mechanically and electrically installed before starting up the EKE 100 and starting to configure it. The EKE 100 should always be installed and connected to other equipment according to the guidelines given in relevant literature, such as the installation and user guides for the EKE 100 and other equipment. Please note that there are free EKE 100 online installation videos available to ensure safe and reliable installation and system operation. All EKE 100 display interface configuration examples are done with the EKE 100 located in a demo rack, but the configuration procedure is the same for the EKE 100 located in a refrigeration system. We demonstrate the EKE 100 display interface configuration by using the EKE 100 2V version, as seen here. Most configuration procedures and the navigation structure are identical for the EKE 100 1V and 2V versions. However, whenever there are any deviations, then we will highlight this during the configuration videos. So let us start using the display interface. The basic uses of the EKE 100 display interface and the EKE 100 basic settings are explained in the EKE 100 online display interface configuration videos 1 and 2. As mentioned in these videos, then the EKE 100 always starts in home mode, as shown here with HO. We will in this example set the EKE 100 to manual mode for valve A, and it is done as follows. From the home mode, press the arrow down key to access the service settings specified as SER. Press the enter key to access the manual output specified as OUT. Press the arrow down key several times to access the manual mode for valve A specified as AU01. Press the enter key to access the available modes. As seen from the manual mode overview shown here, then the value should be set as 1 to set the manual mode to on, so that the valve A can be manually operated. Press the enter key to confirm the value and return to the AU01 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 to manual mode is shown in the following sequence. We should then in the EKE 100 set how long time the manual valve A operation is possible. This is specified as manual mode timeout A. In this example, we will set the EKE 100 manual mode timeout for valve A to 0, which means that the EKE 100 will remain in manual mode until we reset this setting. Setting the manual mode timeout for valve A is done as follows. From the AU01 mode, press the arrow down key to access the manual mode timeout for valve A, specified as AU02. Press the Enter key to access the default timeout value. As seen, the default timeout value is 60 seconds, specified as 60. Press the arrow down key to set the manual timeout value to 0, corresponding to constant manual mode. Press the Enter key to confirm the timeout value and return to the AU02 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 to constant manual mode is shown in the following sequence. We can now manually set the valve A opening degree. In this example, we set the valve A opening degree to 10%, and it is done as follows. From the AU02 mode, press the arrow down key to access the manual opening degree for valve A, specified as AU03. Press the Enter key to access the manual opening degree value. As seen, the default opening degree value is 0%, specified as 0.0. Press the arrow up key to set the opening degree to 10.0, corresponding to 10% open. Press the Enter key to confirm the value and return to the AU03 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the valve A opening degree to 10% in EKE 100 is shown in the following sequence. Once the manual valve A operation is completed, then we need to reset the EKE 100 to automatic operation mode, and it is done as follows. From the AU03 mode, press the arrow up key several times to access the manual mode, specified as AU01. Press the Enter key to access the available modes. As seen from the manual mode overview shown here, then the value should be set as 0 to set the manual mode to off, so that valve A is operated automatically. Press the Enter key to confirm the value and return to AU01 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 to automatic mode is shown in the following sequence. Finally, now when the EKE 100 is in automatic mode, then we can return to the home mode, also called start mode. This is done as follows. From the AU01 mode, press the exit key to return to the manual output mode, specified as OUT. Press the exit key again to access the service setting, specified as SER. Then press the arrow up key several times to access the home mode, specified as HO. The EKE 100 is now ready for operation, or another configuration as needed. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 to home mode is shown in the following sequence. You have now completed the display interface configuration video 5 for EKE 100 superheat controllers and valve drivers. So now you know how to set the EKE 100 to manual mode. You know how to set the EKE 100 manual mode timeout. You know how to manually set the valve opening degree in EKE 100. You know how to reset the EKE 100 to automatic mode. And you know how to return the EKE 100 to home mode. All this ensuring a correct and safe system operation. Please check out the other online videos about EKE 100 display interface configuration. Have a look at the other online learnings about the Danfoss EKE 100 superheat controllers and valve drivers. Thanks for watching.